In this video, I'm going to show you how to use handles in your scenes. So any entity, almost any entity, can be handled with handles. And this means that what is an handle? So an handle is, if you go here into the handles property and you enable it, you can see that we can translate it, you can rotate it, and you can scale it. And what this do is, if I save and preview, it allows me to grab this model and move it on the scene as I want. Okay, so this can be useful in different experiences. For example, in XR experiences that you want to grab the model and rotate it, and but you can select different kinds of translations. So when I translate it, instead of using the default, it can rotate, for example, and instead of moving it, you see that the handle is rotating it. Okay, so it can be useful for 3D models inspections, any kind of creativity that you see with the handles. It can be done with this. And you can also rotate and scale, so this can be a combination of the properties. Okay, so you see that I'm rotating, but I'm also scaling it. So sometimes it can be useful for different kinds of interaction. And you can also use multi-touch or disable it. This will be more noticeable on XR when you have two hands or two controllers, and you can use both hands or just one hand to use the handle. One other thing that can be useful is I can add a group, for example, and I can add both of the entities to the group. Actually, I'm going to center the group. Okay. And now it's inside the group, so the cube is inside the group. And when I move the cube, I want it to trigger the group. Okay, so let's see it how it goes. And you can see that I can move the cube and the 3D model because they are all grouped. So the group is moving because the cube is inside it, and the cube has handles inside it. So this can be useful for creating, for example, panels where you have a cube or some kind of primitive that you want to move, or move complete groups of objects like this. I guess that's it. I hope you find this useful, and see you on the next video.